Professional Citrus Juicer. Now you can make fresh squeezed, delicious juices, craft amazing cocktails, create smooth salad dressings, and even prepare desserts, all with just the press of a handle. The Jamba Professional Citrus Juicer delivers maximum extraction with minimal effort thanks to the rack and pinion design. Up to 550 pounds of press force squeezes juice from citrus fruits and pomegranates, no peeling required. With no electricity necessary and an ergonomic, easy grip handle, it's so easy to use, anyone can enjoy freshly squeezed juice blends in no time. Squeeze anything from key limes to grapefruit. Simply press the handle and let the stainless steel reamer efficiently separate the seed and pulp. Because this citrus juicer is made with heavy-duty metal parts and an acid-resistant finish designed for maximum juice yield and outstanding durability, you're guaranteed years of juicing goodness. Goodness that is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Juice is neatly directed into the glass with a drip spout. Lead the healthy, active lifestyle you enjoy with a fresh squeezed juice every day. It's never been easier thanks to the power and simplicity of the Jamba Professional Citrus Juicer.
Slowstar 2-in-1 Vertical Slow Juicer and Mincer. Experience the taste and nutrition of nature's best with Tribest's best-in-class Slowstar Juicer. Start enjoying fresher, nutrient-rich juices today. With its low-speed pressing method of 47 RPM, the Slowstar efficiently juices all your favorites, from apples and carrots to celery and leafy greens. The Slowstar is a 2-in-1 machine. Just simply replace the top of the machine with the mincing attachment to mince a variety of ingredients for your favorite recipes, like sorbets, nut butters, pâtés, and sauces. Unlike other slow juicers, the Slowstar features Duo Blade. The Duo Blade auger creates a double cut for fewer jams, less pulp, and easily breaks down fibrous produce and leafy greens. Duo Blade's dual cutting edges do twice as much work as a traditional auger, and its 47 RPM low speed preserves more nutrients and produces juices with less foam and greater yield. The Slowstar's 200-watt motor and 3-stage speed reduction gears creates the torque equal to that of a 9-horsepower motor. That's twice the force of similar slow juicers. Unlike traditional slow juicers, the 3-stage reduction gears reduce noise and vibration, while the low-speed 47 RPM motor ensures the juices retain their freshness and healthy enzymes. Experience fresher, better-tasting, nutrient-rich juice today with the Tribest Slowstar 2-in-1 Slow Juicer.
Look at this ginger root. Ginger root, you just toss that right in there. You put a little pressure in there. Super easy to juice with a long handle. Look at that beautiful juice just flowing out of there. Ginger root. Ginger root, it's awesome. Take a look, you can do carrots. Look at this little thing. And truly, I'm barely pressing this. Due to the long leverage of this handle, it makes it super, super easy. Kids love using this thing. They love watching the juice come out for it. Carrots are amazing, amazing health benefits. Super fast, super easy. Check out some cucumber. Cucumber can toss in this. Cucumber is amazing for hydration and skin, and I mean all sorts of other things. And this juicer can handle it. I like putting in some greens right after. It helps move everything go through the chamber. This juicer can do celery too. Look at how easy it is. And look at all this juice flowing out. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to drink this. Look at beautiful kale. You can put kale in this juicer. Healthy juicer can do any type of leafy green. It's awesome because it's got a cold press technology in there that keeps all the nutrients. Healthy juicer can do spinach as well. Really fast, really easy. It smells delicious right now. I wish you could smell it. All right, now it's time to drink what we just made. I can't wait to try this. You just pour it right out. Oh, look at that, look at that. Bottoms up. That is really good, and that ginger is strong. All right, we finished juicing, and I know I've made some claims on how easy it is to clean, so I can't wait to show you this. You just rinse that cup off, you take the handle off, you pop the chamber off, you unscrew the top. There's no internal screen, right? And rinse, 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 and dry, and you're done.
Juicing provides an easy and efficient way to meet your dietary requirements for fruit and vegetables in the most nutrient-packed form. With the Breville Juice Fountain Elite, you'll enjoy making your own homemade, supercharged juices and never go back to the bottled variety. With the juicer all set up, simply use the Breville Clean and Green Juicer Bag for a quick and easy cleanup. A great staple for any juice are apples. Power up the juicer and place a golden delicious into the 3-inch feed tube. Granny Smith apples tend to be a little tart, but experimenting is half the fun. Look at that natural apple juice and now look at it against a store-bought apple juice. Notice the darker yellow colour, where all the apple juice is being pasteurised at extreme temperatures, so it loses all of its live enzymes and nutrients. Adding lemon to any concoction will also delay the oxidisation process and help juice retain its colour. Pineapple is also great with any drink and will add a little tropical flavour. But unlike other juices that require you to cut off the skin, the Juice Fountain Elite is powerful enough to juice with the rind on. This is good because right near the surface of the skin is where all the nutrients live. Power up the juicer on the high speed setting and then juice the pineapple. Now pour it over ice, as ice tends to make juices even more delicious. The Juice Fountain Elite is fitted with a safety device, which safeguards against overheating and excessive loads. If the device is tripped, the unit will switch itself off. If that happens, just unplug the unit and allow it to cool, and then press the overload protection button on the base of the motor and we'll be ready to go. Get into the habit of cleaning your juicer after each use to avoid juicing stains from darker vegetables like beets. First, remove the pulp bag. You can always freeze the pulp to use later in soups, casseroles or baking. And because the Breville Clean and Green juicer bags are biodegradable, you can throw it all into the compost. Use the spatula side of the included cleaning brush to get right into the crevices to remove all of the pulp, and then rinse. Hand wash all the parts or put in the top shelf of the dishwasher. But the actual filter can't go in the dishwasher. Clean it by brushing the outside of the mesh first, then the inside.
It's easy to assemble, easy to clean, and easy to store. All plastic parts are dishwasher safe, and thanks to its powerful 1.1 horsepower motor, the Big Mouth Pro Juice Extractor has excellent juice yield. In fact, it's been rated Best Buy by a leading consumer advocacy publication. The signature Big Mouth feed chute is wide enough to fit full fruits for less pre-cutting. The extra large pulp bin lets you juice longer without having to stop and clean it out.
This is our new Pulp Control citrus juicer. Citrus juice is not just for breakfast. Even though people love to have it for breakfast, think about using it when you're making some savory dishes at night. Say when you're going to add fresh lime to things like quesadillas or salsa, things like that. So it adds a really great freshness to your foods. But first what I'm going to do is show you how it works. It's a great piece of equipment. It's really simple to operate. In the reamer here, there's 3 settings for low, medium, and high pulp. So if you like low amount of pulp in your citrus, set it on low, and you have the other options as I mentioned. You just turn this to the right setting. It also has a universal reamer, so it can do anything from really, really small limes all the way to large grapefruit. It has a stainless steel housing and also has the spout, which is you can move it up, especially when you're done, so that when you're done citrus juicing, it doesn't drip on your counter. So let me show you how it works. All we're going to do is put this right on top. We're going to hold it down until it starts extracting the juice. Let me do this, show you something. Look how clean and efficient that is. And I'm going to do another one. I'm going to show you, see how it reversed? And then once you remove your hand, what you can do is to activate the final spin. You just put the lid on and press it down again. And what it does is it actually gets all that extra pulp, extracts as much juice as possible from it. The other thing that's really nice is all the removable parts are dishwasher safe.
This is the Breville Juice Fountain Plus, and it's the perfect juicer for those just getting into the juicing lifestyle. It's easy to use, only 2 settings, high and low. Use low to make the blade spin slower for juicing soft fruits and leafy greens. Use the high speed to cut through tougher foods like apples. This was the first juicer to hit the market sporting a 3-inch feed tube, so you can juice whole fruits and vegetables. Even dense vegetables such as beets can go in, which are packed with wonderful antioxidants. Really, you can try whatever combinations you happen to have in your fridge, and after the fun element of experimentation, you'll get to know what you like. Celeries, apples, pears and carrots all go well with beets, but to give it a little extra zing, add some ginger root. But go easy on the ginger and build it up as you like the taste, because it can overpower your concoction. I tend to try fruit and veggie combinations of whatever is in season. A handy trick is to line your pulp container with a produce plastic bag for an even easier cleanup. And Breville juicers are easy to clean. You don't need a tool to dismantle it. Simply transfer to the sink, give your parts a rinse and place it in the top shelf of your dishwasher. There's an included cleaning brush for your filter basket. I always use this to give my filter a little extra care right after juicing.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.